1 high-powered firearm and 38 low-powered firearms were recovered. The decreasing trend of the reported medical legal cases at the Provincial Health Office was based in 2010. Thus, in 2011 and 2012, there was a decline of 42.51% and 15.84% respectively. This is significant as this data partially reflects the improved peace and order situation of the province. Basis of comparison was year 2010, when the census increased due to increased reporting of medical legal incidents secondary to an effective PSWDO mass information dissemination, particularly on anti-violence against women and children, or RA 9262, and the total implementation of PNP of Anti-Violence Torture Act, RA 9745, in the province of Masbate. As compared on summation of the years 2010 and 2011, medical legal incidents declined to 28.74, or a significant difference of decreased medical legal incidents of 46.95%. In 2011, the medical legal incidents declined by 42.08 as compared to 2010 and further decreased by 15.84% in 2012. Thus, we can safely state that there is a decreasing trend of reported medical legal incidents in 3 years from 2010 to 2011. This is important since the medical legal incidents reported at the medical legal section of the Provincial Health Office, Masbate City, caters province-wide, which partially reflects the improved peace and order situation in the province. In terms of good governance, the province has been awarded the Seal of Good Housekeeping Bronze Award by the DILG in recognition of our compliance with the national government standards in effecting transparency in government transactions. Our sincere efforts toward full disclosure of our budget and finances given a specific period of time was duly recognized. We have done our part well, that we rightfully deserve the award. The province has received a reward of 15 million pesos worth package of infrastructure project funded by the local government special fund. Let's now go to the General Services Office, headed by Mr. Dante Rosas. For more than 3 years, we have conducted bidding on procurement of drugs and medicine, medical laboratory, hospital equipment, heavy equipment, and other supplies. We have stayed in line with our commitment in providing prompt support to our employees and fellow Masbateños and their needs for supplies, materials, and services using advanced technology and steady support by competent personnel. Also, we have undertaken necessary measures on the submission of annual procurement plan and enrollment to Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, or PhilGIPS, as part of the implementation of RA 9184. The custody of supplies, especially drugs and medicines intended for the use of the Provincial Health Office as well as other devolved hospitals. We were able to comply with the procurement of office and computer supplies from the Department of Budget and Management Procurement Service. Sangguniang Panlalawigan, headed by Mr. Bimbo Danao as the Secretary. Ms. Bimbo. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan, as the legislative body of the province, is mandated to enact and review ordinances, resolutions, and appropriate funds for the general welfare of the province and its inhabitants pursuant to Section 16 and in the proper exercise of the corporate powers of the province as provided for under Section 22 of Republic Act. Among the resolutions, ordinances, and appropriation ordinances enacted and reviewed by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, which have significant importance in legislation, are the following. The passage of appropriation ordinances authorizing the annual budgets for 2011 with an appropriation of 761.9 million pesos, for 2012, 748.64 million pesos, and for 2013, 1.83 billion pesos. Thanks to our Vice Governor. And the implementation of the 4 tranches salary increase from 2010, 2011, 2012, and 2013. The passage of granting of productivity enhancement incentives, or PEI, with impressive increases to employee of the provincial government as follows. 26,000 pesos for 2010, 36,000 pesos for 2011, and 41,000 pesos for 2012. Ayaw usa kay ato pang ipa-approve sa ato ang amiguhon ta usa sila kaya dili mo i-approve sa inyong bonus. The passage of the annual investment program for 2011, 2012, and 2013. The passage of the Provincial Development and Physical Framework Plan and the Provincial Development Investment Plan Program for 2011 to 2016 of the province of Masbate. Financial Management and Operations. Let's go to the assessors headed by Mr. Jesse Doctolero. Among the accomplishments of this administration is the effective management of its real property tax collection, as shown by a significant increase in its real property assessment. As of today, we have achieved a total assessed valuation on our real property of 6.436 billion pesos, compared with 1.7 billion pesos in 1994 to 1997, 1.48 billion pesos in 1998 to 2007, and 4.66 billion in 2007 to 2010.